Hey, Mama.
Hello, welcome home.
I got you something from Miniso.
Miniso, oh,
We can't see her. Where is she? Don't know. There she is. So, Mom, Miniso is where the fruit hats came from.
Oh, get out of town.
Yeah, they had a store in New York City, so I picked these up for you.
Oh, there's a whole bunch in here. Oh my heavens. Okay, let's see. We've got a mini. Oh goodness. Well, I guess we don't. Well, I'm assuming that's a Stitch one because.
Well, Mom, there's actually 6 different ones that you can get, including Winnie the Pooh.
Look at these. Oh my gosh, they actually have a store. We're gonna have fun with these.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me build a tower because I can. We got a candle here. We gotta be careful.
Don't light that on fire, please.
No, we don't want to do that. Let's slide that over there.
Mom is living dangerously.
No, we want to be safe while we're pulling out things.
She's making a pyramid.
I am just making a pyramid. Oh, there is one more.
There should be.
Yep.
I tried to see if I could get all 6 of them for us.
Oh, so do you look at codes or are they marked?
No, I went down and found one that was still a full box and pulled everything out of the full box and made it an empty box.
In other words, it's fixed.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So these are little round ball things like our little peeps we opened before.
Uh-huh.
Fun.
Okay, what else is in there?
Oh gosh, there's more with crazy hats.
There have more fruit hats.
Oh no. The fruit hats are funny.
You do love fruit hats.
They're just silly. They are silly.
Yes, but these ones are Mickey Mouse characters. So there's Chip, Dale, Mickey, Minnie, Donald, and Goofy.
And we got 6 of those too. Oh my goodness. And wait. Oh, I see something you bought for your car. She has a supply of Stitch scented ornaments.
Yes.
Which are really car ornaments.
Yes.
So, well, hopefully they smell. What are
They do. There's a test spot. Just fold it up to your nose.
Oh, what does this?
Do you want one for your car?
No, because
I got a set.
Stitch is your thing.
Uh-huh.
And then she got herself the claw socks.
Uh-huh.
Those have, of course, the alien from
I
Toy
pick up
Story.
all kinds of aliens.
And Stitch socks.
Yes. They were cute.
Yeah, I'm looking. It says vacay mode on it.
Yep.
Mood. I'm sorry. Vacay mood. Those are cute.
Yep.
They're cute socks.
All
We
right.
had fun shopping.
Yeah. So, question is,
Yes.
we have time in this video to open up one of these. Do you want to open up one of these in this video?
Sure.
Which one are you more in the mood for? Fruit hats or bunny hats?
Oh, gee. I don't know.
You feeling fruity or hoppy?
Well, these are different characters, so let's do more fruit hats.
All right. Let's,
Okay.
please. All right, Mama. Who do you think is going to be inside?
Oh, goodness. All right, let me.
There's no card in the bottom.
No, this has got to be one. It's either Mickey or Minnie because there are ears. So,
Okay.
I'll guess Minnie. So let's find out. Hey, this time they're wearing their hats.
You got Minnie. You
That's
guessed correctly.
Minnie. I guessed correctly. Boop. She's very cute.
Yeah.
You know what? This would be. These to me would be really cute for a child, like tub toy.
Yeah, that's what you said about the other ones too, is a tub
Yeah.
toy.
A tub toy.
Yeah.
These even more than the others because the others you don't want a child putting.
Bird just hit the window.
We don't want.
It wants to be in the video.
Maybe we don't want a tub toy wearing a hat, a fabric hat.
No.
These are not fabric, but they're super cute. Okay, let's try the next one.
All right, please hold. All right, Mom, what do you think it is?
Let me think.
Who could it be?
Who could it be? All right, this is either Chip or I think Chip or Dale. I'm guessing Chip or Dale. Let me just pick one. I'll say Chip.
All right.
I will say Chip. Let's see. Is it Chip?
It's up at the top.
Yeah, there's a little tear end.
Who is it?
It is. Oh, I think think it's Dale.
Red nose? Yep, that's Dale.
Yep,
Oh, look at him. Is he a little peach?
He is a little peach. Look at him.
So cute.
Yes, he is so cute.
They're so cute.
Here's his little tag. Super cute.
All right.
Okay.
Mom's going to start guessing the next. Who do you think it is?
I'm gonna guess Chip. Well, that was Dale's. I'm gonna guess Chip for this one.
Okay. Hopefully me picking them out worked well.
Hopefully. I do believe this is. I'm Chip. Oh, it's a pineapple.
He's a pineapple. Oh my gosh,
This
he's
is
so
what I was
cute.
feeling and thinking that's really funny. Look at that.
He's so cute. Oh my gosh, those are
child's
precious.
stuffed toy.
All right, Mom's gonna start the next one. All right, Mom, who is it?
I'm guessing Donald.
Are you right?
Yes, for sure. I could see the green.
Is he a melon head? What is he?
Oh my gosh, looking at the stripes, I believe he's a watermelon. So you're right, a melon head.
Stop, that is adorable.
Look at the melon head.
My gosh, he
Really cute.
is so stinking
He
cute.
looks actually like a baby Donald.
He does.
Face.
They all look like the baby versions.
The baby versions.
Yes. All right, Mama's got 2 more left. So we only have Mickey and Goofy left.
That's right.
Mom, who do you think it is?
I'm thinking it could be Goofy, but I'm also wondering if it's another Donald.
Yeah, I
Let's
picked these
find
ones
out.
up, so let's see.
It is another Donald.
Okay, so we have 1 dupe,
One dupe.
but that's okay. Should we give that one to Susan?
I think we should give this one to Susan.
Okay, Susan, by the way, is actually Greg, for everybody's reference. So we do have 2 Donalds. So now we just got the last one here. Will we get Mickey or... All right, Mom, who do you think it is?
I think it's another Donald.
So is Karen gonna get a Donald?
Maybe.
Is it Donald again?
Yep, another Donald.
We got, okay, so we at least got 4 of the characters though. So we're just missing 2, and that would be
Another Donald.
Goofy and Mickey. So Karen's probably gonna get one and Greg is going to get one.
Right.
But
They're cute.
I tried really hard to try to get all 6.
Yes.
I did.
It was fun to open them.
Yeah. Are you happy I'm back, lady?
I am happy you're back.
Oh,
Yes,
good.
It's been a long time since I've seen her. Maybe it doesn't seem that way on videos, but I
been
haven't
like 3
seen her
weeks.
since May 10th.
Yeah, so now it's
almost
June.
a month.
Yep. All right, say bye to everyone, Mama.
Bye.